What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Nature Boy, coming back to y'all with another fire video. This video is some old footage mixed in with some new footage. I fished out there in Clute, Texas at my brother's house. They have a pond out there, I think it's called Lakeview. But yeah, they have some quality bass in there. But in this video, something bad happens in this video. Oh no, bruh, I just snapped my sponsor's rod. This video. Also, in this video, I also catch one of the biggest fish of my life. Well, I say fish-wise, bass-wise. I wasn't even recording, my bad, guys. I just missed a fight of my life. This is huge, huge bass. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned. You won't be pissed. It's another video from your boy, Nature Boy. Hope you guys like. Sorry for the, the hideous thing that's going on here, but yeah, only humans. Anyway, guys, hope you guys like the video, and like I said, stay tuned. You won't be pissed. See you guys in the video. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, he came off. He came off, and that bass, when I started burning it, and I hooked up to one, but I missed the hook set, and he came off, but we'll try that again. Big jig. It's a nice bass too. Oh yeah. This probably fuck my TV easily. Oh, nice hook set right here. Yeah, bruh. I know if I keep chunking that jig out, I'll get him. That black and blue. Ooh, he's strong. He is strong, strong, strong. That black and blue. I'm about to go throw this guy. you. I missed the release. I was holding by the lip, and he just freaking didn't let me. Yeah, he didn't care. Anyway, that was a nice one. Got another one. Yeah, bro. I'm tearing it up, bro, today. Another one right under this tree on the pier. Man, he's been some quality fish all day. Got him. Took on that time. Pressure, 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 pressure. There he goes. Nice bass. Nice bass. Pressure, pressure. And a flip. That's what we got. Oh. We got him on land, huh? A nice little choker, bro. That was a good bite right there. Kept casting. I know he hit it the first time coming by him, and I just pitched at him like two more times, and I got him. That was a heck of a fight, though. It was a long distance. Let's get him back in the water. Backflip for us, nice. Oh no, bro! I just snapped my sponsored rod. Like, what the heck? Titanium, bro. Y'all said this rod wouldn't break. I was literally just fighting a fish, and my rod tip broke. And shout out to Enigma Fishing Team. Thank you guys for boarding me on board this year for a sponsorship and on promotional pro staff. It's been a good year. Hopefully we can make something happen this next year with a better sponsorship. But guys, this titanium rod, this 7-foot that I got from Enigma, was a good rod, and I was so upset when that happened. But it happened on a slam of a fish. I'm guessing it took me under something, and I just wasn't patient enough just to let the fish swim out. As I've learned more, but I tried to force myself to land that fish when I don't think that landing part was gonna happen. The only thing happened was a snap rod. But yeah, thanks Enigma for that, for the chance of sponsoring me throughout this year. And like I said, hopefully we can work something out in 2020. But it's your boy, Nature Boy. You guys, peace out, and like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's your boy, Nature Boy. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out, guys. I wasn't even recording, my bad, guys. I just missed a fight of my life. This is huge, huge bass. Oh, he's every bit of like freaking 7. Almost, probably a 10-pounder. No, not a 10 though. He's not a 10. Ooh. He's solid. Solid 5 for sure. Oh yeah, that made up for the days I hadn't been fishing for sure. This is a freaking hog right here, dog. Heck yeah. freaking pause, dog. That thing is freaking huge, bro. I'll see you later, big girl. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, you guys stay fishing, don't stop. It's your boy, Nature Boy. Yeah, thank you guys for supporting the channel. And keep your lines wet.